HTML. A class, I have class. Yes. Hello. Class, I will call. Tomorrow you can come. Bye. I have class.
So don't tease them too much.
Oh, I'm telling fact, not teasing. It's a real facts. By experience, I'm telling. It's not teasing, yeah. It's reality. You don't enjoy too much. Okay. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, now we can next you can furtherly can go Eulerian path. A path of graph G is called an Eulerian path. Includes each edge of G is exactly once. Eulerian circuit means what? A circuit of a graph G is called Eulerian circuit if it is include each edge of G exactly once. This is what an Eulerian path includes any each edge of G exactly once. Eulerian circuit means a circuit of a graph. That is already yesterday we defined circuit and graph and cycle everything. Eulerian graph means what? A graph containing an Eulerian circuit called Eulerian graph. Next, this is the Eulerian circuit. See, degree of A2, degree of 2. See, theorem. A connected graph contain an Eulerian circuit if and only if each of its vertices of even degree. So, means even degree means you can say Eulerian circuit. The degree of A is what you will get here 2. Here degree of B is what? 2. Degree of C is what? Degree of C what you will get? What is the degree of C?
Sir, 4.
4. Degree of E, degree of C. So this is one theorem match. Just you can remember. A connected graph contain an Eulerian circuit if and only if each vertices of an even degree. Then Eulerian path. A connected graph is contain Eulerian path if and only if it has exactly two vertices of odd degree. Only two vertices only will have odd degree. Means degree of A is what? Degree of A is what?
Sir, 1.
B
2.
C 2,
2.
D 2, E 2, F 2. So
Sir, F1.
F1, yes, sorry. If and only if two vertices of odd degree means what? A and F only odd degrees. This theorems just you can remember. Then this is a find Eulerian path, and this probably can do. This example I will give, don't worry. Then you can check. Then Hamilton path. A path of a graph G is called Hamilton path if it is includes each vertex of G exactly once. Hamilton circuit is what? A circuit of graph G is called Hamilton circuit if it is includes each vertex of G exactly once, except starting and end vertices which appear twice, which appears. Okay. Hamilton graph. A graph containing a Hamilton graph circuit is called Hamilton graph. Just note down fast. Copy it, sir. Then Hamilton circuit. Path. These all I will do, don't worry, later I will examples on you. Then matrix representation. Adjacency matrix means what? If undirected graph consists of vertices, then the adjacent matrix graph in n by n matrix AI is defined by AI is equal to 1. Suppose V1 to V2 connected means 1 you can do. If it is not means what? 0 you can write. If there exists an edge between V1 Vi where ith row jth column, then value of AI is 1. If there is no edge between Vi's value is 1 0. See, this I will tell you. Now we see. Now this adjacency matrix means what? See how many vertex are there? The adjacencies are actually A, B, C, D. Now we can write here A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. A to A, can you go edge? There is any chances to edge? Tell me, A to A, can you write edge? Sir, A to A are edges, can you write? No, 0. But A to B edges there is in graph, you can see. A to B edges there are not. Are you hearing or me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
A to B edges there are not. AB
Yes,
is
sir.
edge or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, you can write A, B, C, D or A, B, C. From here to you can go. A, 0. AB means what? Either I want to fill 1 or 0. If edge is there, 1 you can write. If it is not there, 0. AB is there or not? Edge is there or not? AB is edge or not, sir? A to B edge is there or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, AB is equal to 1. A to C edge is there. AC is edge or not?
Yes, sir.
AD?
Yes, sir.
AD. So 1, 1. Then come on, BA. Because this undirected graph means what? Direction is there. You can go travel any side. I told you direction means directed graph means what? Direction will be. B to A edge is there or not? BA edge is there or not? This is one edge or not? BA. Then 1. Then BB 0. Then BC is there. BD is there. 1, 1. Then CA is there. CB is there. CC is there. CD. According to this graph. Some graphs maybe you will miss. DA is there. Then DB is there. DC is there. Correct? I'm getting or not? From vertex to vertex you cannot get touch. Suppose loop is there only you can write. There is no loop. Reaching or not, sir? Clear? Adjacency matrix means what? Vertices to vertices you can write. V1, V2, V3, V1, V2, V3. This vertices is there or not you can see. Suppose this is vertex, vertex, vertex like this. Okay. Now, then incidency matrix means what? Edges you can write. If an undirected graph G consists n vertices and n edges, then instance is what? N by n matrix. So Ci is equal to 1 if the vertex Vi instant by edge 1, Ei. Otherwise 0. Now we see. Here vertex to edges you can write. How many vertex are there? V1, V2, V3, V1, E1. See. Correct. V1 to E1 is there or not? Connection is there. V1, E1 okay. Then 1. V2, E2 not there. V and U2 are not related. Getting or not what I'm telling? Hello? Nikhil, got any doubt?
So can you repeat, sir?
Same. Instance matrix means same. Adjacency matrix means vertex to vertex you can write. There I am writing V1, V2, V3, V1, V2. So V1 to V1 is 0. V1 to V2 means I am writing if edge is there 1. Now actually this is what actually edge is there. E1, E2, E4, E5 is 5 edges. Vertex, how many vertices are there? V1, V2, V3, V4. Now instance matrix means what? Vertices to edge actually. If Ci is equal to 1, if the vertex Vi instant by edge E1, that edge connected by that edge means what? That vertex you can say 1, otherwise you can write 0. Now V1 is connected by E1. E1 is connected to V1 or not? Sir, V1 is one vertex, sir. This is first edge.
Yes, sir.
vertex 1 is meets to E1 or not edge 1? Huh?
Yes, sir.
V1 E1 is equal to 1. Then V1 E2. V1 V1 connected to any E2? No. Actually, V1 connected with which fellows? E1, E4 only. Their places only you will get 1, 1, remaining 0. See, V1 E1 is 0. V1 E2 now node connection. The edge 2 not connected by V1. Edge 3 not connected by vertices 1. Edge 4. E4 is connected by V1. Correct or not? Edge 5 is what? Not connected. Reaching? Any problem? Say yes or no, sir. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then V2. Now we can take vertices 2. Vertices 2 connected with which edges is E1 and E2. Their places you can write 1, 1. Remaining places 0. Correct? V2 E1 0. V2 E2 1. V2 E3 1. V2 E4. Now V3 vertices 3 connected with how many edges? Tell me here. V3 connected with how many edges? Which edge is connected to V3? Sir, V means vertex, sir. E means edges. Which edges meet set V2? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Which edge meet at V2? V3. Come on. E1 meets at V3 or not? E2
Yes,
meets
sir.
at V3.
Yes, sir.
E5 and
E3, E2, and E5, sir.
Their places only. So V3 if you take means what? V3 E1 is 1. Then V3 E2 is 1. Then there is no E3 E4. So zeros. Then E5. Similarly, V4, edge V4, how it meets actually? E3 meeting, E4 meeting, E5 touching V4. Correct? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, V4 E1 0. This is what? This is called instance matrix. Previous matrix is what? Adjacent matrix. Adjacent means what? Vertex to vertex only you will write. A to A is 0, but A to D is the connection is there. A to C is there. A to B is there. Correct? Now this matrix, can you tell V1, V2, V3? Here also if you take V1, V2, V3, what vertex you will get? Can you expect? Tell me. This is the adjacent matrix. You can tell here what you will get. Tell me. For same matrix. Incidence means with adjacent vertices I am connecting. Adjacent means what? With vertices to vertices. Correct? Now you can tell actually. Now here also instead of E1, E2, E3, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 you can write. Now V1 to V1 is 0. But V1 to which is edges are there actually? V1 to which edges are there? V3 is there, V4 is there. Correct? V1 to linking is what? V3, V4. So these V3, V4 only 0, 1, 1 you will get. Remaining plus zeros you will get. I mean, what I'm telling, understanding or not? This is actually instance matrix. In the same graph, I am telling, ask you to do adjacent matrix. How you will do? See, here also vertex vertices are written, vertices are written. Vertex to vertex no, but A to B is linking means what? I am writing actually this vertex to connection means. So this is also vertex, this is also vertex means this is called adjacency. Then this is vertex to edges means is called instancy. Reaching or not? Any doubt? Sir, okay or not?
No doubt, sir.
So this matrix I am asking adjacent matrix instead of E1, E2, E3, E4, you can write V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Now you can tell the matrix I am telling. V1 to who is connected? Which vertex connected? V1 to V3, V4. So V1 to V3, V4 means what? This place 1 you will get, this place 1 you will get, remaining 0 you will get. Correct? Any problem? That is, I am telling adjacency matrix from this matrix, from this graph. Then V2, how they collected? V2 connected with V3, then V4. So V2, V3, V4 means what? Here is a 1, 1 you will get. V3 connected is what? V1, V2. Then V1, these two places you will get 1, 1. Remaining all are 0. That if you want adjacent matrix. Then V4, how you will write? Here also 4 only you will get. 1, 2, 3, not 5 actually. V4, how you will get? V1, V2. So 1, 2 only, remaining zeros. Can you write and anyone tell me that's adjacent matrix for this graph? Nothing. You can write here also V1, V2, V3, V4. Here also you can write V1, V2, V3, 4. V1 to V1, 0. V1 to V2 connection is there means 1 you can write. Otherwise 0 you can write. Tell me for any one of you. Come on. Like this previous matrix I want to get. Sir, tell me, sir. Answer I need. You are standing there only. Sir, for this instance, if adjacency matrix, what you will do? V1, V2, V3, 4. Here also V1, V2, V3, 4. Now we can tell first row V1 to V1 is 0. Then V1 to V2 is there 0. Then 0, 0. Then V1 to V3 is there. Then here 1. V1 to V4. So 0, 0, 1, 1 you will get. Am I correct? I am asking adjacency matrix. Incidency matrix means vertex to edges. Okay, next class I will do examples, otherwise I'm bored. Now, right. The out degree and in degree of a vertex. In a directed graph, out degree of a vertex V is denoted by degree of plus number of edges beginning at V and degree of V. Then V is what? Number of edges ending with V. Now, degree of A is what? 1. From starting A to D, only 1 degree of A. Degree of minus is what? See, ending to D actually. This is towards reaching to D. This is towards reaching to A. So degree of A is what? Outward, inward is what? This is what? Directed. Out degree is 1. From A to going outside. This is coming inside. So degree inside is what? Out degree beginning denoted by beginning number in the degree of V denoted by the in the number of edges ending with V. In directed graph, out degree of a vertex G denoted plus in the number of degree beginning at V, and the in degree. So it's coming to A means what? In degree, going out means what? Plus. So degree of A is 1. Degree of A minus means what? Inside is what? It's coming to A. So this fellow 2. Similarly, degree of B is what? 5. How we will get 5? It's going out. 1, 2, 3, 4. One loop is there. Correct? Huh? Loop 2 directions you can take. Degree of B is 5. Then degree of B minus is also 1. Yes? Tell me. Any doubt? Hello?
Sir, sir, loop will also be considered in the
Out
in
and
degree
in both.
also.
Out and in both.
Okay, sir.
Loop will be considered 2 actually. Out and in both actually. That's why degree of B is plus V is what? Out also is coming, in also coming. Out also we taken 1 count. Actually, in also we taken 1 count. Now degree of C is what? From going from C, how many is there? Only 1. C to D. Coming to C is what? Inside C is what? D to C, B to C. So 2. Reaching or not? Degree of another is what? A, B, C, D. Last is what? D. D is what? 1. From D, going out is 1 only 1. But reaching D, how many is there? A to D is there, C to D is there, B to D is there. So reaching D is what? In is what? Touching to D. So going to D. From coming to D means what? Outside. From D is going away. Means out. Till reaching to D means what? In. Coming to this house. So means what? D. Now, if G is equal to V comma E in a directed graph with the E edges, P belongs to degree plus is equal to degree minus equal to C is telling. E is equal to E. Both are same is telling. Directed graph means. Sum of all degrees is equal to equal is telling. Clear? 1, 5, 6, 7. This is what? 2, 3, 5, 8. So both in and out will be equal is telling. Sigma of degree, all in degrees of vertices, all out degrees equal to equal. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, then both are equal. This is one remark you can remember. Okay. Copy down fast. Sir, when is your cycle test announced or not? Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cycle test is when?
Sir, not confirmed.
Sir, not confirmed yet.
Hey, date has come, sir. They are telling pen and paper only, you know. So you people are also.
Sir, after that, there is some new information and there is lot of confusion. So for now, we are not updated about the actual date.
Oh. Who said your class in charge? Huh?
Sir, there was a new notice on Academia.
Oh, academy itself. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So they are not announced. That is what announced date.
Sir, they just said like it will be on GCR or.
Maybe two. Those are here. There may be online. There, but we don't know. Still, we cannot tell anything. Okay, whatever may be, but you can prepare. But both. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is comes means, otherwise it pen pantiya. Hand. அதில்ல மேல அதில்ல அது லூஸ் பண்ணு டைட் பண்ணு கொஞ்சம் டைட் பண்ணு ரொம்ப டைட் okay copy this ppt every ppt I will send you sir by actually I'm forgetting a lot of work is there but I will send you
Okay, sir.
then now graph coloring. One minute. Hello. See. Now, a graph has been colored or if color is assigned to each vertex in such a way that adjacent vertices have a different colors. Okay. Vertex you can go different color, but adjacent sides is what you will have different color. Adjacent vertices will have a different colors means graph coloring. A graph has been colored if color is assigned to each vertex in a such a way that adjacent vertices have. So this is adjacent this adjacent this adjacent is this different. This is adjacent this is different, this is different, this is different, this is different. Then this adjacent is this adjacent is this. For this is adjacent, this is adjacent, this is adjacent, this is adjacent. So see, vertex coloring of a graph is G is mapping from a F V of G to S. The element of S are called colors. The vertices of one color from a color class, the S is equal to K, then K coloring. Okay. Then a graph is K colorable if it has a proper K coloring. If proper coloring, each color class is stable set. Therefore, one may be considered K coloring as a partition of the vertex set G into K stable sets which are disjoint. Maybe this properties you can read. Okay, I can stop here. Now give attendance. When is starts number is what?
569, sir.
569.
Present, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71. 71. Not there, huh? 72. 73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
75.
Present, sir.
76. 77.
Present, sir.
78.
Present, sir.
79 not there I think. So 80.
Present, sir.
81.
Present, sir.
82. 83.
Present, sir. 83.
84. 84, 85,
Present, sir.
86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91, 92, 93,
Present, sir.
94,
Present, sir.
95,
Present, sir.
96,
Sir, 96 is not there.
okay, 97,
Present, sir.
98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
600,
Present, sir.
601, 601, 602, 3,
Present, sir.
604,
Present, sir.
605,
Present, sir.
606,
Sir, present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9, 10,
610 present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15, Vaibhav
Present,
Sharma.
sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Sir, present, sir. 17617 Vaibhav Sharma, sir, present.
17, Vaibhav Sharma. Okay.
Thank you.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20, 21, 22, 22, 23,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
24. Huh?
21 present, sir.
What is what are you doing, sir, when I'm calling you? 22, 23 is there, 24 is there, Pratik Agarwal, 25,
Present, sir.
26,
Yes, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
So 32 is last number, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, you can leave, sir. Then options are 71, 82, 92, 76.
92 present.
Sir, 576 present.
What are you doing? 71, 82, 84, 91, 601, 609, 620. Correct? Huh?
84 not there, sir.
Okay. 71 is there, huh? 71. Now options are 71, 82, 91, 601, 609, 620. Okay? Okay, sir, you can leave, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, ma.